Hey guys, I'm Kristen, your chef for today, and welcome to the second season of Windmill Fun Box. Today, I'll be showing you how to make peanut butter oat energy balls. Let's go! So here I have oats, peanut butter, chocolate chips, and honey. Since this recipe is vegetarian, it's really excellent. So here I have half a cup of oats, and this is 1/3 cup of peanut butter, and I need 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. So now I'm gonna mix it up and then refrigerate it for 30 minutes. It will get a little sticky, though you will have to use the back of your spoon to knead the oats and the peanut butter. Keep on mixing until it forms a firm dough, and that's when you know it's ready to be refrigerated. Once the dough starts to get sticky, just knead it with your hands if needed. And now I've mixed it and we need to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Okay, so now since I've got them from the refrigerator, you need to just take a little bit and roll them into balls. And here's the finished product. Oh yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you do make these, leave a comment in the comment section below. Bye for now. I don't know what else to say.